Hey everyone, in this video we will be setting up your emails with ReferRush. Emails is one of our primary communications and it is the easiest to set up. We have white labeled it for you. We allow you to start sending your emails from your own domains. In the future we'll also be like allowing you to send your emails from our domain also, but for now it is your domain. And email is just so important that without it a lot of your other touch points will not work properly, as communications to your referrers won't be done as well. So I will show you how to do that. I actually have a domain present here. It is called directtoindia.in. I will be entering my domain right here. As you can see, you should not be including https colon backslash or even www here. Just add the domain directly. So I added my domain here. I'll click on this button, continue to DNS setup. It will validate the domain on the backend side. We'll wait for it. Okay, so it has created some DNS records for us in two categories. Number one is notifications and number two is campaigns. Why do we need two categories? Because according to email systems' rules, every single subdomain has its own individual reputation. So when you send like transaction emails and marketing campaign like emails, you want to separate the reputation out. Otherwise, one type of email will affect the reputation of the second type also, which could bring important notifications as delivery down also for events like payouts and orders create, which are supposed to land in inbox at all times, might stop landing in inbox once you run a lot of campaigns if the domain is same. So just in short, you have to add these four records and these four records in your DNS provider. I will show you right on this call. So I will copy this, click on this copy button. I'm here in my GoDaddy's dashboard. So I have to add a DNS record. So I'll click on add new record here. As it shows, it has to be a TXT field. So I will click on TXT and host value is this. I'll click on copy here. So value is added here, and then the name part, no, host is the name part here, and the value is this part. So you do this and you leave it as default. Don't have to change anything here. And then the next record is MX record and the name is this. So I'll click on add more records, add MX, copy, just copy the value also from here, value added, priority is 10, copy, priority is 10, we'll leave the TTL as it is. We add more records again. Now it is again a TXT record, we copy the host, TXT, copied the host, and the value also has to be copied, leave the TTL as it is. And then it's the last record we have, TXT. So we add the TXT here, and then we have DMARC, then we have value, and then we have to add more records for the campaign side. Again the similar process, TXT record, then you add the value, leave TTL default, then the MX record is here, MX record, you add the value, you add the host, now you add the value, the priority is 10, you add 10, then you add the last two remaining records, TXT, this one, and this one, leaving TTL as it is, and then the last record, it is TXT record, so it is a DMARC record also, the value is here, and leaving the TTL as it is. Now we'll click on save all records in GoDaddy. So it shows an error here, a record named DMARC conflicts with another record. So let's see what is the conflict here. See, as we have added DMARC already here, the value is exact same. So we can remove this because the value is exact same and the host name is same. So we don't need to add them twice. So we removed the latest one. So now we'll click on save all records, continue and verify. So I have to verify my identity. I will just check the value from my authenticator. Six 71265 verify code. Okay, so my records have been successfully updated. It takes some time, up till like it takes a few hours to update. So if your thing is not reflecting immediately, do not like rush or do not feel worried. It usually takes a little bit of time. But if it still does not update after a few hours, like say like 4 to 5 hours, please update us, reach out to our support, we will help you. And just to educate you a little bit about it, all these records are very important for security of your email. They tell the email servers that the email is coming from a legitimate domain, and that is why they allow the better delivery of these emails. Otherwise, all of your emails will land up in spam, and they will even start to stop blocking your emails from even going to any inbox in the first place. So once you have added everything, for both notifications as well as campaigns, click on verify campaign domain. It will start loading, and it usually takes a little bit of time. So I will pause the video and I'll let it do, and I'll come back to the video once this is done. Hey guys, so it's been like 5 minutes or 10 minutes something, and I'm seeing 1 out of 2 of my domains are verified. I see domain as verified for campaigns. I'm still waiting for the notifications domain to be verified, and I'll reload the page once and see what is up here. Seems like it is done. I think our domain is verified and we are into the dashboard. So as our domain is verified, I can start walking you through about email dashboard and our email editor. So as you are already aware, ReferRush supports both referrals as well as our affiliate platform. So we have both sections present here, referrals, affiliates, and we also allow you to add delays for each and every event. So let me walk you through. So this is the master toggle. If you turn this off, none of your referral emails will go out. If you turn it on, they will start going out. So this is the master toggle. And then these are the templates we have: orders create, orders delivered, orders fulfilled. Just to educate you more about it, let me just go through each and every event here one by one. What is orders create? Every single time someone will come to your store and place an order, that will be an orders create event. And every single time your order will be delivered, that will be an orders delivered event. Every single time you will mark your order as fulfilled, that will be an orders fulfilled event. Every single time someone will use their own discount code to make a purchase, that will come under self-referral. This is also a protection mechanism to tell your own customers that you're not allowed to use your own discount code for your own orders. So that is what self-referral is for. Yeah, so I was educating you about what is the self-referral, right? So self-referral is if someone uses their own discount code to make a purchase. In that case, it comes under the category of self-referral. If you remember from our program settings video, we have this option to allow customers, all customers can use the discount, or only new customers who have never purchased, right? So if your discount code is sent to somebody who has already purchased, in that case they are an existing customer, right? And if you enable this option, they won't be able to use their own code to make a purchase. But if you allow this, then they will also be able to use it. So this allows self-referral, this does not allow self-referral. But just to keep in mind, by default, ReferRush will not do any payout or any kind of reward delivery in case the order is a self-referral. So that is something we do to protect our merchants, to protect our brands. So this was part one. I see a lot of advantage in sometimes turning on your self-referrals, because it kind of sometimes tricks your customer that they're getting a discount, but they're also giving you a sale. So if your margin allows you, I recommend turning it on, because a lot of orders just come straight from self-referrals. Because people kind of try to outsmart the brand, not understanding the brand is also outsmarting them here. The brand is also smart here. So, but if you want to completely avoid anyone from using their own code, or like allowing any existing customer to use the code, just select this option and save. Otherwise, this is a very good option. I highly suggest allowing everyone. So let's go back to our email dashboard. As I was on the self-referral, this is our template for self-referral. And yes, as you're already aware, when people use their own discount code, it triggers, and no payout will ever be made on this. You can also protect yourself from this case also. The next event is successful referral. In what particular cases this event is triggered? Say I refer my friend. When my friend purchases from my link, this is the event triggered on my email ID. And what is referral order delivered? Say when my friend's order who has purchased from my link or my code is delivered, I'm made aware that okay, my friend's order is delivered. So from this point onwards till the return period is over or the reward delay period is over, I won't be getting my payout, my reward. What is payout cancelled? Payout cancelled is from this time onwards after the delivery is done till the reward is matured. If the customer cancels the order, in that case, my payout will get cancelled and I will be informed that my friend has cancelled the order, so I'm no longer eligible for any payout. And this event is for payout. This is triggered when the customer successfully goes through that entire return period range, order is no longer returnable, and now as a referrer, I'm eligible for your payout, and I will be sent an email with my payout link or my store credit or my discount code or my free product. Then this is the last event, which is below minimum order amount. In what particular case do we trigger this? So say I give my discount code to my friend or my referral link to my friend. My friend placed an order, but as obviously like because the order was below the minimum order amount, the discount code will not be applied there. As the discount code will not be applied there, but the cookie will at least go. As the cookie went through, I will be made aware through our dashboard that like brand will be made aware through the dashboard that there has been a referral sale, but it is below the minimum order amount, so no payout will be processed here. And the referrer, like which is me in this case, who has sent the link to my friend, will also be informed because my friend placed an order below the minimum order amount. I am also not eligible for any reward in this case. So these are all the events which ReferRush supports. They are in place here just to protect the brand from all kind of frauds and scams. They're also to make sure that the communication is end to end, so that your customer support does not face a lot of problems and questioning from your customers. This is how we have designed all the events here. So let me walk you through a little bit about our dashboard also. So this area is for the subject line. You can definitely edit here. So you can definitely like write things here, like write a subject line here, and it will start working. And this is our email dashboard. It is a drag and drop editor. The default template is already here, and these are the fields available which you can enter. Brand name is the name of your brand. Shopify has already given us the data. Customer name is the name of the customer here. Order ID is the order ID obviously. The discount offer is like say you're giving 10% off. That is a discount offer. This is reward. What is reward? Say you're doing cashback, like 100 rupee cashback, so that will be reward. It will be plugged in right here. And then it is minimum order value. This is referral code. This is referral link. This is brand, this URL, like your site's URL. So you can add as many text blocks as you like. You can edit the text color, font size, alignment, and this works just as it is. You can just drag and drop items into this or like drag and drop editor and do things here. So this is it, and you can play around our dashboard, or you can just go with the default template and it will start working for you. And now to educate you about this few buttons we have here. This is template button, like template enable and disable. This means the template is enabled, this means the template is disabled. This is the master toggle. This turns on and turns off the entire referrals email. This is only for this particular template. So for this particular template to go, master toggle should also be on, and this particular button should also be on. I have turned it on for now. And this is the preview button. It shows you how the email looks in the customer's device. And this is the edit area again. And this is custom HTML. What is custom HTML? You might be using some other email providers like Klaviyo, Omnisend, and so on and so forth. You could be using some other email editor also. So what we have done here is to allow you to design your email templates on your favorite like email editor like Klaviyo and export the HTML and paste it here. Let me show you some documents on that so that you can understand it better. Klaviyo email export HTML. Basically, it shows how to export HTML from Klaviyo. This particular article shows you exactly how to do it. Navigate to content templates and then locate the template you want to export. Click additional options menu on the button of the templates card. Click export template. They have shown it right here. When you click export, the entire HTML will be present here, and you just have to copy the entire HTML, all that like within this like a border, and you have to paste it right inside your ReferRush dashboard. You can enter, you can replace like certain values like brand name, customer name with our like variables here, right? Like, and it will plug in the value right there. Say like the HTML was something like, just to give you an example, body customer, hello customer, say the customer name is Rohan. Now you want to plug in your exact customer name, which whomever it is being sent to, you just plug in this. ReferRush will automatically populate this value, and the right name will be sent. This is how our import feature works for cases where a brand is using some external editor and they want to use the high quality editor with their premium templates working with ReferRush. Just to give you a few bits of information more about it, like that emails are currently free of cost at ReferRush, but we are gonna add a pricing plan on it soon. And we have been working directly with Resend, which is an SF-based company, and we're working directly with their founders to ensure that the best deliverability you can get directly into your inbox. Having your email land up in inbox is one of the most important things. It makes the entire difference. So ReferRush continuously optimizes to make sure that your emails land up in inbox, and we're partnering up with the best in the world to do that for you. And that is why we have only given the integration where you can use our backend. You can add, you can bring your own HTML, bring your own templates, design your own, but only our backend and our services will be used to send the emails for now. Okay, I think you have understood it this much. At the end of it, you just have to click Save Template and it will be saved, as this button shows it is alive, and this button shows that the master toggle is also live. Similarly, you can edit other templates and take them live also. Similarly, you can edit the affiliate templates if you're live on our affiliate dashboard. And we also allow you to add delays on different templates. Why do we need that? Certain brands do not want to send the message at the exact point the event is triggered. Say the order is created right now. Some brands like to send it an hour later or a few minutes later. You just have to edit these values and click Save Delays, and ReferRush will not trigger the email immediately. It will wait for the delayed period and then it will trigger the email. You can do the same thing for affiliate templates also here. The next part is that we allow you delays here. We allow you to bring your templates, edit them, bring custom templates, and let you set it up for each and every template. And we do not have follow-up emails right now and campaigns with campaign follow-up emails, but that is part of our roadmap. But I think this is sufficient to get started. This is all for our email integration. I will be seeing you in the next video.